Isolated geographically, the Tasmanian region has an ecosystem unlike any other in the world. In its isolation, Tasmania's plant and animal life developed in a way that allowed them to thrive in this region and climate, producing a rich population of endemic species. Here you can find some of the most ancient plants, the tallest flowering trees, the oldest plant clones, and Tasmania's best-kept secret, Kunzea. Locally known as white cloud for its white flowers and tick bush for its insect-repelling properties, the Kunzea ambigua bush is a member of the eucalyptus family and grows wild in the coastal forests of the Tasmanian Islands. The essential oil distilled from this unique plant offers naturally occurring therapeutic constituents that people have benefited from for centuries. Now you too can benefit from this ancient Tasmanian plant and its essential oil.